you, Mr. Thomas. Recording.
Oh, whoa, it's so fast.
I know. I love my brother's camera. It's so awesome.
It's a video.
Keep that one. I like it.
It's.
Tiffany, come here.
Lindsay.
No, come here.
Whoa, hi.
You know about as much as me, so.
Sorry, you were away.
What do I put in?
As I'm like, where's Woodley?
Up there, it's fine.
We're doing something really cool.
Except for piles of my brother's camera is a beast. I hope I can bring it tomorrow.
Oh,
wait, what are you doing? Oh, that's cheating.
Oh my god, that's like hidden camera mode.
I wrote it on the wrong side. Miss Jacob, I wrote it on the wrong side.
I wrote it on the wrong side.
I don't want to.
Hi, Harold. Let's go talk to Harold. Hi, Harold. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi to the camera. Camera. Why are you in that seat?
Oh, I said no. I mean, like we did.
Oh, you both did it on the wrong side?
No, that's mine. I wanted to like.
I feel like a slave.
Wait, are you recording
I'm
a
a
picture?
slave.
Let's get you out of here. Whoa, upside down.
Wait, let me see.
You got a minute?
55, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 minutes.
One page.
This is a test we took. Is it not testicles? I mean.
Whoa, what?
What did he just say?
No.
It better not have been about me.
No, I'm looking at the test and I was like, look at the test. It's a testicle. Wait.
Whoa.
That was hilarious. Oh my god. Oh god.
Language. Wait, is this still going?
You're still recording. That was great. Hi. Ooh, yellow Sharpie. Ooh,
Number 117 is
video.
A generous. Oops, I just cheated.
New Year's. Hi, Nelson.
What are you doing?
Bye, Nelson.
Fine.
He's gone.
It's gonna be so awesome when you look at it because it's gonna be upside down.
Hey, cutie. You ready for tomorrow?
Guess what? I'm upside down. Upside down. Turn it around.
Upside down, Lindsay. Hi.
Because I want to upside down you. What's like going on?
Upside down. Turn it around.
I'm sorry for the people that are going to be watching this. They'll be like getting sick.
What's the new Wegman?
Melvin.
Oh.
It's a video.
Hello.
Hi, Alvaro. Alvaro, hi. Whoa.
I'm gonna watch it. You.
I don't know. It might be too big. Hey, Harold, why are you smiling over there? Arlenny.
What are you doing? I'm not gonna do anything.
The video.
Yeah.
Wait. What just happened to it?
What do we do when we're done?
She almost caught me. Oh, nice face, Lindsay.
Yeah, I tried.
Dude, look at the computer. Russell, move.
What about it? I don't understand.
It's moving. Look. It's moving. Look at it. It's moving. Ooh. There it goes. You see it? It's like a ghost.
Hold on.
There's just one little shopping place.
All right. Time to watch it.